Hi everyone, welcome to the Fit Job. No drama, no take, only jobs. So this is the job notification regarding the Odisha Development Society. Okay, Odisha Tribal Development Society (OTDS) under the administrative control of ST and SC Department Development Department, Government of Odisha. So, walk-in interview of engagement of professional in OTDS is going on. Chief Executive Officer OTDC invites up candidates for the walk-in interview, and walk-in interview will be going on 6th June 2020. Okay, walk-in interview will be the for engagement of professional. Number of post is technical expert quality education. Number of post to vacancy will be only one post, so there will be much more competition. Okay, and place of posting will be Bhubaneswar. Place of posting is Bhubaneswar. Number one post is one. Okay, number one post. Then technical quality education. Okay, and the educational qualification experience MBA or master degree in social work and social science from a recognized university, a reputed institution with 5 years of post qualification experience, preferably ensuring the quality education in government sector. If you have the MBA qualification, if you have master degree in social work or the social science along with 5 years of qualification post qualification experience, then you are eligible for technical expert quality education post. Okay, so date of interview is 6th June 2020. Reporting time is 10:30 am to 12 pm. Okay, the venue will be you should remember, keep in mind. Okay, SSCS TRTI CRP Square Unity. Okay, then 7 Bhubaneswar, Odisha 751012. The engagement is purely contractual basis. The project specific and does not ask for any regular. There will be no regular engagement will be in the future. Okay, so this is the contract basis, contractual application form along with the term of reference. You can download the application form. I can say two website. Okay, so two website is one website is www.stsco or stscodisha.gov.in and www.otds.in. So in these two websites you can download the application form. Okay, and you can go to direct on 6th June 2020. You can directly attend the walk-in interview if you are eligible. Okay, if you have the qualification of the MBA or master degree in social work or the social science with recognized university along with 5 years of post qualification experience. Okay, interested candidates shall attend the walk-in interview with all the relevant documents in supported qualification and experience duly filled application. Okay, the completely respect of, so you have to visit to particular this place on 6th June 2020 with along with all documents, your qualification, experience. Okay, and self attested to the particular address Bhubaneswar, Odisha 751012 on scheduled date and time. Candidates need to report for the walk-in interview between 10:30 am to 12 pm, failing which he or she will not be allowed to appear the interview. You will be in late, you will be not entertained. Okay, so try to reach before 10:30 means 9 or 9:30 so that you can prepare, you can come. Okay, before attending the interview. It's the post will be for the technical expert quality education Odisha Tribal Development Society OTDS under the ST and SC Development Department, Government of Odisha. It is supporting the planning, implementation, monitoring, evaluation of livelihood development, intervention in tribal areas of the state. OTDS introduced to the engagement of one technical expert quality education in OTDS state office at the Bhubaneswar to look after the quality learning output under the mission of the Suvidha initiative. And the place of posting with the state office of Odisha Tribal Development Society, Bhubaneswar. The qualification should be the MBA or master degree in social work and work science from a recognized university or reputed institution. If you have the qualification means like the MBA if you have the MBA or master degree in social work along with 5 years of experience, so you are eligible for the technical expert. Okay, and post qualification work experience, candidates would have the 5 years of post qualification experience, preferably in quality education in the government sector. If you have the qualification along with 5 years of experience in the government sector, you are eligible. And I can say actually it's a very lucrative package, 50,000. So the gross remuneration is 50,000. So the post is one, only single post you have to compete. So that depend on your talents, and if you have the experience, if you have the qualification, you should not lose the opportunity. If you really qualify, then you will get the remuneration of the 50,000 per month. Okay. And duration of terms of engagement, the position is purely contractual in nature. The selected candidate will be given annual contract of 1 year, and subsequent renewal will be based on the satisfactory performance. Suppose your performance will be satisfactory, so it will be extended by day or year by year. Okay, but there will be no means the provision of the regularization. Suppose you cannot claim it the regular. Okay, the candidate will work under the direct supervision of the Chief Executive Officer, CEO, OTDS, and will be placed in the state offices of OTDS. Okay. Expected service delivered, the selected candidate is a technical expert. Quality education is expected to perform the following duties: to facilitate, supervise, monitoring, implementation आपको करना है, to facilitate the capacity building program, to provide the necessary hand holding support to the field, functionary the gap assessment of the school hostel operational under the ST and AC development department, to monitor, supervise the data collection under the mission Suvidha district level. Okay, these are the things you have to means this is type of you have to give the responsibility, you have to perform it. Okay, suppose you are selected. Okay, the 50,000 will be the gross remuneration, and you have to coordinate, ensure effective. This is all the things. Okay, you can read. So application form, this is the application form. You have to direct paste the recent passport size photograph. What is the post applied and technical, you can see what is the post is what is the post, technical expert quality education. Okay, this is the post, you have to mention it. Okay, and personality, name of the candidate, your first name, surname means your title. Okay, permanent present address you have to fill up, your mobile number, phone number, telephone residence, telephone offices, mail ID you have to put it, in date of birth, category SC, ST, OBC, whatever you have the category. Okay, you have to prove also. Suppose you are SC, you have the community certificate also, your sex, male or female or any other. Okay, marital status you have to put it, then medical history, any illness suppose you have, you can directly claim it. Okay, like I have certain type of medical means emergency or like certain type of diseases. Okay, then you have to put it your educational qualification, means recently first 10th standard onwards. So you have to put it from 10th, then plus 2, then graduation, then PG up to higher qualification. Okay, so you have to put it first from the 10th. Okay, that's already mentioned, 10th standard onwards, 10th standard onwards. Okay. So other qualification include relevant short training courses. Suppose you are undergoing other government training or private training and related to their particular technical assistant, you can also mention it, the course name, duration, year, institution, course detail, then employment, work experience. Suppose already it's mentioned the government department, you should have the work experience of 5 years on the relevant post. Okay, so in that case you can mention the name and address of the employer, category of the employer, government or private. Suppose you have the private working experience, you can also apply. Okay, you can also eligible, but the thing is the experienced candidate, they are in the first priority. Okay, and on this given profile, it's not only the other profile you have to show it. Suppose you have that type of experience, so you have to show it from 2 to 2. Okay, totally of experience, major responsibility, what should be your responsibility you had done in your previous organization, document of proof experience you should attach it. Okay, then current salary drawn, what is the current salary per annum, so that you will get the 50,000, but it's not the above. But the thing is you have to mention it, the computer literacy, word processing, spreadsheet, database, presentation, web or email, you have to put it. Then language proficiency, what is the language you means know, the English, Hindi, Odia or other specific you have to mention. Any other information may be provided by applicant to the strengthen the candidate, whether any information you have to pass it to the employer, so that you are in the weightage. Okay, because the post is only one you have to fight it. Okay, and don't think like the one post is a very one post, why I will apply. Who don't know means you will be qualified, you will be single person means who can beat the other candidates. It's not the only beat to defeat the other candidates, you have to show it your talent, so that you can beat ultimately indirectly. Okay, may include the paper presentation, seminar membership, if any of your experience in the seminar membership you have attended, you can also mention it. Okay, then a reference, 2 person whom you have to professionally reported, or if you have any professional reference, you can mention the reference 1, reference 2, okay, their name, official address, phone number, mail, then reference to name, official address, phone number, mail. Okay, declaration you have to declare it like I have the above whatever the mention, it's very clearly means very true as per my knowledge is concerned. Okay, you have to declare, and you put your signature, then date and place, you have to not forget. Okay, it's very important. Okay, so this is the thing, and I can directly put it so that you can download it. But the thing is, you should remember the technical expert quality education. You should before the work in interview, you should know what is the work responsibility. Okay, and the post is one, place is Bhubaneswar, and qualification you should know, first check whether you are eligible or not, otherwise you don't waste your time. Okay, and date and time of interview, this is the very important. Okay, all the candidates, they are eligible but they don't know where to report, how to report. Okay, what is the time. Okay, it's the June 6, 2020, reporting time 10:30 to 12 p.m. venue is SCSTRTI CRP Square, Unity 7, Bhubaneswar, Odisha 751012. Or if you are not finding this address, you can directly Google the Odisha Tribal Development Society OTDS address. Okay, you can directly go to walk-in. The June 6 is the walk-in interview, and the time is 10:30 to 12 p.m. Okay, this is the under the administrative control of Scheduled Tribe and Scheduled Caste Development Department, Government of Odisha posting. Okay, the remuneration will be the 50,000. And I hope this will really means you will getting the benefit from this video. If really eligible, then apply, because 50,000 salary. Okay, the number of post may be one, but the thing is, who will get it? Their life will be very lucrative. He can enjoy or she can enjoy. Okay, and share to all the guys so that they can need actually in this corona period all are employed, because all are searching for the job. Okay, it's my duty and responsibility, it's my mission vision to give the proper information to guide you so that you can get one job. Okay, I will be very appreciate. I hope you will share it, like and subscribe, so that other candidate will get the information. Okay, till then, take care. Bye. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat, Vande Utkal Janani.